Hi guys, the starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 3526, and that's a green jelly level with cotton candy and icing and licorice and the dark purple candy. We just got back from my grandparents, and now I'm just hanging out. Before I forget, next vlog is going to be a 2-week vlog with probably tons of adventures. So that should be exciting and interesting. I'm going to do something. Welcome back to the vlog. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. It's another gorgeous summer day. I mean, fall day. It's supposed to be cooler out. But, no. It's currently 85 degrees, but it's supposed to be 87, but tomorrow is supposed to be 79. I'll be surprised if it's 85 again this year. So yeah. I'm currently working on getting Abby. Abby is the one that wears the pink overalls from Turning Red. Not my favorite character, but she's still pretty cool. I love Miriam and Melody. I don't know why I don't like the other two. But they seem like jerks. That's just my opinion. You don't have to agree. But, yeah. Other than that, nothing is going on. I have 14 days until my hearing aids appointment. So that's exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time. I don't know why it's nerve-wracking. I know I have a hearing loss, but it's still kinda scary even though I've done the exact same test 30 plus times throughout my lifetime, and I've done ear molds like 5 or 6 times. I know what to expect, so why am I nervous? I don't understand. But I'm going to do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. So I got my injection today for my mouth sores. And the shot didn't work right. So I got poked twice in the same spot. My arm hurts still and it's been quite some time ago. But it's worth it because it helps with my mouth sores. I'm still working on getting Abby. I'm going on a bike ride is approximately 30 minutes. Just watched Alex and Company. It needs more episodes though. I'm about halfway through the series. It's a good show. It's still acting like summer. And that's about it. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So I have always loved solitaire, ever since I was old enough to understand how to play it. I play the original solitaire still. I have always loved changing the look of the cards. I still remember the old version had Halloween designs. And then they updated it with Windows Vista, which I absolutely hated Windows Vista. And then they updated again and again and again. Now Solitaire is called Klondike, and now you can actually make it your own personal decks and background and you can add effects. I have made a Disney card deck with the castle as the background. It's amazing. Right now I'm currently using the full card deck. It's a very gorgeous deck of cards. Maybe I'll make a Halloween deck. I absolutely love having themes in Solitaire because it's funny and not boring. The original version was that ugly green background. I just cannot go back to the original version, it's just not my favorite. Nothing to report in the Disney Magic Kingdoms game. I am going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. It finally rained. Now I know Hurricane Ian is going crazy through Florida area. I cannot imagine experiencing a hurricane. That sounds absolutely terrifying. 95 miles per hour wind? It would literally scare me to death. I did actually experience one tiny tornado, and it was absolutely terrifying. So yeah. I also don't like thunderstorms, I just don't like the thunder. It is just too loud, so that's gonna be interesting with hearing aids. Although, I could play music through my hearing aids if they have Bluetooth, which I am hoping. I don't know what they are going to give me. So yeah. We shall see. When I calculated it, it came up with 10 days until my appointment, but that's wrong because it's October 10th and we are still in September. I'm just saying. The website I used to count days is not correct. It should be 12 days. 11 days. I cannot calculate time really well. So yeah, anyway I'm going to go do something, and that's all, folks. Hi guys. The ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 3559, and that's a green worm level with cotton candy, butterscotch, and the dark purple candy. I just played it halfway. And yeah, I got Abby. I bought her with diamonds because her stuff wasn't dropping, and yeah, it was really hard to see that many diamonds go. But I have her now. There will not be a video next Saturday, but the next video is going to be really interesting. With that said, thumbs up and subscribe and check out my Instagram, and that's all, folks.